Hey guys, it is November 28th. It is 5 o'clock. The door is out of my grasp. My hat has a dirty spot on it. It's getting dark out already. And there's a dog over there. Dog! And we're going to do a Honda cold start on my racer. This racer. Snow. Oh, batteries are low. Oh. Oh shit. I don't like starting it on full throttle like that. But there it is, it's running. Sweet. Don't know what else we're gonna get into tonight, as I always say. Hello, Cat. How are you, Cat? But we'll see what happens. Probably not a whole lot of anything. Oh, I should get those tires out of my bed. Let's go do that. Oops, I'm over it. Wow, the one thing right on the other. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at my pants clips. Oh, look at that. That couldn't have worked out better. Here, let's try. Oops. Not that. Alright, let's try this. I know it looks like shit, but now you can actually see. Oh, God. Yeah. Still got all this crap down here. One of these days I'll get out to get around to loading it. But really Dad said screw it, let's just take this load in. So all I really have to do is pop the tires and plastic shit off that, pop the tires off that, pull the tires off that and some of the plastic. Oh look, you're pooping. Good pooping dog. And then we'll worry about the farm equipment some other time. But I'm not feeling it tonight, as part of my overalls are in the washing machine. So there, I turned low locks off. So now, come on, dog. So I'm not doing her tonight because it's cold. Look at that little awesome engine. What the hell's... Nope, thermostat did not open yet. We'll make it open. Alright, well, I blathered on enough, so... Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So anyway, stay tuned, because we might do something. Who knows? Stay tuned. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, so I'm just watching some Skaven Games, Minecraft, and Dad brought me a couple cheeseburgers and fries from McDonald's, because they were at the mall. Sweet. So I'm going to om down on those and keep watching Minecraft. Awesome. Well guys, it's 11:30 now. Went over and hung out at Nate's for a little bit, and I'm pretty tired, so I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to get up and do that working thing tomorrow, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Anyway. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's 7:25 the following day, and work went good today, but I'm gonna go over and hang out with Nate, Darren, and a couple other friends now, so let's go do that. See if I got the camera out. We'll see if I got the camera out. I don't know. Stay tuned. I got something on my screen, I think, but we're back for Nate's now, and yeah, it's 11:15, so I'm gonna eat some ice cream, watch some YouTubes, and go to bed, and then get up tomorrow and work. So yeah, there's something on my screen right there. Oh well. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. I don't know. Blah blah blah. Alright, so it's like, what time is it?
1:47.
Quarter of 2.
Quarter of 2 in the morning, Saturday. What's up, Darren?
You didn't touch me. It's too early for this.
Apparently I have a shaky hand. What's up, Nate? Steadying myself a little bit. Still shaky. How was work? How was work?
Good.
That's good.
Alright,
Does Frank went on the YouTubes?
or does it matter to you? Me too?
Me too.
Wow.
You mind?
No, I don't mind.
Okay, some people do.
Nothing.
Pick me. Yeah.
So yeah, my truck keeps progressively getting worse gas mileage.
Wait,
We went-
wait. You can't be joking. You can't be only getting 13.
No, he's only getting 13.
We went from 16 to 15 to 14 to 13.
Why?
Do you guys know? It's not my foot.
It has CSFI, that's the only thing you can tell them, right?
Something's going bad. I don't know. We got an expensive snap-on scanner at work. I think we can figure it out. So maybe we'll do that this week. Maybe. Just maybe.
Right. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yourself. Show them and get them. If a zombie bites you, then you turn into a zombie. However, if a mummy bites you,
Hi,
all you turn
buddy.
into is some schmo with a mummy bite. So,
Hi, buddy. Kitty, kitty.
Darren, he's right, isn't
no
he?
leg to stand on. Good boy, here's a cookie. Oh, thank you. Hey, fellas, what's going on? Mummies and
Hey,
zombies.
Eries.
They're not
Whoops.
the same thing. You get a cookie too.
Good boy.
Yes, too.
Well, guys, I'm at Mom's now. It is 3:09, and I'm gonna go to bed. I guess we'll catch you tomorrow.